Hello, my name is Ashleigh Perry Gilmore, and I'm an associate at Walters Gilbreath. I chose to pursue law because it's always been a passion of mine to help people. And what better way to help people than advocating for what matters most? In the area of family law, you are able to represent a person in their most needed time, especially what matters most to people. What can matter most than their family and their property, what they've worked hard for? This is an honor and a privilege. I've been practicing family law for over 10 years now, and I specifically focus in on child issues and as well as property issues. I have a lot of experience with divorce matters. I help clients come to creative parenting plans that work well for their children. In the rare instances that people can't come to an agreement, I go to court and I advocate zealously for what my client believes is the best interest for their child. I also help with mitigating issues of exposure with property divisions or maximizing the potential for my client to get a really good property division. It's all dependent on what my client needs. My personal experience with divorces is that I am a child of divorced parents. I find that it is very important to try to preserve the family unit as much as possible. And one of my goals in any kind of divorce action involving children is to try to mitigate the aggression and the fallout as best as possible. However, we do have to keep in mind that our presiding goal in every family law case that involves children is to make sure that we're advocating for what's best for these kiddos. My clients can expect from me to be an active listener, to find creative solutions that fit their life as well as their kids' life if there are kids involved in the issues. My clients can expect for me to form creative solutions when it comes down to their property interests. Ultimately, my goal is to try to get my clients the best optimal, realistic result. I am really happy to work at Walters Gilbreath because Walters Gilbreath places an extreme emphasis on providing excellent representation for the clients. And they do that by pouring into their associates, giving us the tools that we need to advocate for what matters most to our clients. Ultimately, this is a wonderful environment for clients as well as associates. I'm active in my local church and I work with the seniors ministry. My goal in the seniors ministry is to make sure that our seniors know that they have a vibrant life and that we still care about them. And I try to give activities, and honestly, they do more ministry towards me, and it is just such an overwhelming experience of getting to understand the wisdom from our elders, and I apply that wisdom in all areas of my life. In my personal time, I love listening to audiobooks, additionally, murder mystery podcasts, as well as spending time with my family.